Hi guys, welcome to Embed Tech YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Then you can get the more information from my channel about the embedded technology. Okay, here we go. Here I am going to discuss some basic protocols, general protocols. I am going to cover. Okay. Yes, this is the general protocols with brief explanation we are going to cover. The basic protocols like the first one UART universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter, and next I2C, or we can call it as I2C. Yes, it's abbreviation like inter integrated circuit. And next one SPI serial peripheral interface, and next one ADC analog to decimal conversion, and DAC digital to analog conversion, and some other asynchronous protocols like RS232, RS422, and RS485, and CAN control area network. Not only this, I will explain more than these protocols. Okay, just for now I'm going to explain these protocols with different modes in this all the protocols. Okay, let's see. In UART we have only PC to PC communication only we have. Yes, okay. You may ask, and you may have some doubts about this UART protocol. UART protocols, many people aware of this, means who are worked in embedded people, they have aware of that they have aware on UART protocol. But the thing is, do you know the means there is a one device to one device communication, means one PC to another PC communication, no? Okay, we have one PC to another PC communication. Do you know if this PC, this UART send data to this second PC, is this the data is a type of 8-bit data? It's going to bit by bit. Okay, how that means you know that transfer manner, start and data and parity and stop bit. This is the means frame of the UART transmission. Okay, how do you know that the device knows whether that bit is start bit or not? How do you do that? These are the topics, means very crucial points, means very important points which I am going to cover while explanation. Okay, next one is I2C. In I2C we'll see what is it. See here again, 7-bit addressing mode, but we are sending the data in terms of it's in 8-bit. No, yes, 8 bits. Why I am mentioning 7-bit? This is the thing I am going to explain. Okay, yes, and 10-bit addressing modes also we have. And here means the slave 10 bits addressing mode, slave 7-bit addressing mode, and master 7-bit and 10-bit addressing modes, and both of these. Okay, next one SPI serial peripheral interface. Okay, see here you can get the more information about the all the data. Okay, all the modes of I2C protocol. You can get the more information here. Okay, now coming to SPI. Yes, falling edge without phase delay, and falling edge with phase delay, and next one rising edge without phase delay, and rising edge with phase delay. Yes, these are the modes in SPI protocol. There is some difference where the data is getting exchanged. Okay, then you can get the knowledge while I am explaining these protocols. Okay, next one ADC. ADC also we have modes again. Flash type of ADC, sigma delta ADC, and dual slope converter, and successive approximation converter. Yes, okay. And next DAC, digital to analog conversion. In this also we have different modes: binary weighted resistor DAC converter circuit, and binary ladder or R2R ladder decimal to unlock converter circuit we have, and segmented DAC segmented DAC also we have, and delta sigma DAC also we have. Okay, these are the modes in DAC. Next one, these are the synchronous protocols like RS-232. Here balanced and unbalanced and differential pairs, and differential pairs means positive data transmission and positive and negatively data transmission, and long length data transmission. Which one we are going to choose? I'm going to cover all the things. Main in interview point of view time, you can give the good information to the interviewer. Okay, CAN control area network. I will explain total frames of the CAN network. Okay, data frame and error frame and remote frame and overload frame. Okay, and some other topics also I want to cover on the CAN protocol. Those are CAN error type with explanation, and handling of error management unit, and some other topics also I will explain depend upon that. Okay, that time. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Very quickly I will explain more about not explain, I will upload the videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye.